2019, they have not settled. But what have you retained on this has not been paid?
This has not been paid.
December this as paid. Rent? What is it? A director of what? I want to know the
No, it's not a garage. I'm talking to government there, right?
Speaking.
Yeah. It's not a garage. It's just a breakdown. And I gave it out to for repair.
To where? Where? Repair where?
It's somewhere. I gave the mechanic.
Somewhere where? That's where I want to know where it is.
And I'll call the guy.
Now you don't know where it is. Can I have?
I am very sure. I know.
Bring it.
Sure I know.
Bring
Yes,
it.
yes.
I want to know 6 months down the line, the power so is not there. Therefore, it could be doing business elsewhere.
No, it's not.
How sure are you?
Because the guy was asking for the repair cash, but I told him when they are ready, we'll give him, and then he give it back.
Hey, listen, I need to have it today repaired. I want to know the status of it.
Okay. No problem. Okay, sir.
Therefore, you have tires here, how many?
This is
One. But they are saying spare for 2 vehicles, tires. You are the one who has them. A generator. I want to see the generator. What are you doing with it? What do you mean that you replaced?
We bought another one, so that one is still lying here.
That one is spoiled.
You gave them the new one?
Yes.
To where is it the new one?
To the KCA, KCA 240.
Or the battery for the vehicle?
Not the batteries, the pump.
No, the generator. I'm talking about a generator.
It's a water pump, not a generator. The generator, anasema kwa ile gari kingine. Hiyo generator anasema walibadilisha gari yenye ilikuwa pale mama. Sasa wakabaki nayo sio wakabaki nayo kwa
It is a water pump, not a generator. But you have one generator here.
No, it's a water pump. That's what I was talking.
Ebo, give me Mayaka's number. I can see the person who was in charge, the director Mayaka. Sasa, how do you keep them behind these tires for 2 years, my brother? Have you kept it behind? No, agreed. Agreed. You need to be paid, but I want to understand if it's an arrangement between yourself and them. I don't blame you, by the way. I'm not blaming you. I'm on fact finding. Just a minute. 07 21 52 27 67. I'm just, these are government equipment and properties, and there is a way they can be held back. You as a service provider, you have an equal responsibility knowing what the law requires of you, of the government properties. Isn't it? Ingina, this other arrangement ni nyuma ya tent. Mayaka is under who?
It's under
Mayaka,
Yes.
how are you?
Fine, Your Excellence.
Now I want to know about this generator at Muwasa garage. Where is it?
And
Though.
the small generator for the fire engine.
Mm-hmm.
It's not the garage is called minor engineering.
What is it doing there?
No, there's a small payment that is pending, Your Excellence, which needed
Of how
for
much?
us to pick it from there.
Of how much?
In fact, it's not much. It's just 12,000 shillings.
12,000.
Yes, sir.
And it has been there for how long?
It has been there for over a year, sir.
Over a year for 12,000.
Yes, sir.
Mayaka as a diligent officer director, 12,000. You're telling me over a year, the generator is there. Are you sure it's there?
Yes, it is, Your Excellence.
Can I get it today? Get your 12,000, you'll be.
I'll do that immediately.
Yes. When ndugu? Nitosheke. And I'm not blaming you, of course. I'm blaming these people from my office. Kwa sababu if you did some work for them, they should have paid. What are you doing, you guys? This one? Yeah. Vic has been here for how long? 14. Kwa hivyo 10 years down the line, gari iko hapa tu. Eh? Habari zenu bwana? Endelea tu na kazi. Eh. Eh? When is gani hii? And this is a new tire. It looks new, isn't it? See, imeisha sasa. It was for?
The firefighter engine. The newest one. Big one.
Wait. Somebody has to capture it because I want to see. Wamesahau hii. Now this one, how much?
045 CT 204. Yes, sir.
For which vehicle is that? That is a fire engine.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Was last year.
Last year. Na naona is all rim. Eh? Hebu nitolee hii niangalie. The rim is new. Yeah. Hii rim inaonekana mpya tu. Eti? Unasemaje ndugu?
Ngoja ongea. Hapana, sijamkataza kuongea. This is the tire.
Hebu itoe tuipeleke pande hiyo. Nataka nijue nani alileta hii gari last year? Osoro. Osoro lazima ataenda nyumbani. We have no business with him.
Osoro amejaribu kufanya. Amejaribu ifunction simpeleke nyumbani. Amejaribu, huyo jamaa ndiye ametulipa at least.
Hapana. Wacha mambo ya kujaribu. Huyu mtu, you can imagine this is a new tire, a new rim. Wewe ndugu, this is a new, it has been here for over a year. There is no reason completely, even if he had to hold for anything else. Gari iko wapi? Gari umesema is since 2014. Unaitwa nani ndugu? Shida yake ilikuwa gani? Mhm.
Engine was supposed to be done some overhaul,
Mm.
and then
Lakini hamukutengeneza.
tulianza,
Mm.
and then hiyo maneno ya payment wenye iliingilia tukaona
Mm. Eh?
kifungu peleke kifungu engine dismantle.
It is dismantled. Eh. Hakuna engine? Hakuna engine? Warden. Hakuna engine hapa? Iko wapi? But hakuna engine hapa? Eh? Eh? Kwa hivyo hii mme dismantle, mmeuza nini? Umesema Usoro ndiye alileta hii? Nani?
Hata Usoro hata sidhani kama alikuwa. Alileta hata mimi kama siko hapa. 2014.
How much was it? How much was it to fix?
On engine?
For it to operate?
It was written something to do with engine overhaul.
How much was that?
That's the little line.
How much was that?
You see now engine overhaul, there's a mechanical thing, which you have to really estimate.
Kwa hivyo, literally there is no engine for this vehicle. There isn't. Eh?
You have to block it.
Wangwana. Now, hii shamba umechukua kutoka kwa nani? Who has rented you?
Angwenyi.
Who is Angwenyi?
John Angwenyi.
John Angwenyi. Nani huyo?
Someone's the former chief.
Eh.
But his sons, they're dealing with his sons. They're dealing with his sons.
Vijana wake ni kina nani?
The son ndiye anaitwa John Angwenyi.
John Angwenyi. Wewe nataka nijue huyo mtu anaitwa John Angwenyi because I'm told this again, even this land belongs to the county government.
Ndio hiyo tunafungua.
Hata hakuna kitu tunafungua. Hiyo gari hakuna kitu. Madam. Hakuna kitu kwa hiyo gari.
Engine iko ndani.
Hebu enda nionyeshe hiyo engine. Fungua nionyeshe. Hebu nionyeshe hiyo engine. And you know what we are talking about, the engine. Hii tractor ni yetu bwana. Where is the engine? Is this the engine?
Imekuwa dismantled.
Imekuwa dismantled.
It was brought in this condition.
Dismantled, but even spare parts for this engine, they are not here.
Most of them were missing.
Were missing and they are missing.
Yeah, they're still missing.
That's why you always lock it. Nobody will get access to it unless
When you have an issue with a vehicle which has something you can pick, isn't it? Yeah, since the 2014 ndugu yangu, hata kama we can't with this one. Sawa. Funga. Mzee. Habari yako?
Iko mzuri? Habari ya wewe?
Salama sana. Huyu ni nani wewe?
Mimi naitwa Wambugu.
Wambugu.
Ama Muwasa.
Muwasa. Wewe ndio Muwasa? Mwenye hapa?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Habari yako bwana?
Si mbaya mkubwa. Yes.
Sasa nimepata gari yangu since 2014 watu wangu hawajailipa na
They don't pay. And they are not paying yet.
And they may not pay.
No, you are there now. You are there now.
But I'm told hata hii. Nimeambiwa engine iko hakuna, nimepata izano ile block.
Hiyo ilikuwa imeharibika. When it came, the block was broken.
Lakini all those other spare parts zote zimepotea.
No, they could be there. Mumefungwa ndani. They should be there.
I've seen a new rim with the tire.
With the tire.
Imewekwa hapa.
Okay. That one, what happened? He was supposed to have given me the document because you know that the fire engine is very, very important. He never did it. So he owes me two.
Have you paid your sim?
He was there.
Kwa hivyo, that was which year?
Okay, it has taken a little long. Yeah. Yeah, but he's aware of that, Nini, or whoever the driver of that truck.
Therefore, you ever had this thing here for how long?
Some time.
Timothy, how are you? The gentleman who has been repairing the fire engine when you in the last regime. Not your Muwasa.
Muwasa Motors.
You know anything of the sort? Yeah?
Is Osoro or his predecessor, the director disaster management?
But the owner of this garage says the person whom he was dealing with directly is you. And even you can talk to him, he's here.
Yeah, let me talk to him.
He's here.
Hello.
Hello, how are you?
I'm good. This is Muwasa.
Yes, Mzee.
Yes,
Yeah, how are you?
I'm good.
Yes.
Yeah, we are talking about the.
He meant,
Yeah.
The governor meant Muwasa. Okay.
Yeah, Muwasa, yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
What do you know about it?
He repaired for us up. There is a time he paid some money to a government institution called Machining Complex. He repaired for us a flange where when the machine was had leakages at the pump. That's all I remember about him.
Okay.
Yeah.
And these other tiles that are found here?
That Orito should be able to explain because I found when I came to the department, I found the vehicle already there.
Now
So
do this. That chain of people, Orito,
Yes.
Osoro,
Yes.
whoever who is involved in all this disposing of these things, I want to see them. Leo hata kesho ikiwa whole day. Nataka niona hao
Your
watu.
Excellency, today.
Get all of them. I want to see all of them.
Where, Your Excellency?
I'll let you know. I'll let you know later.
Out.
Mzee,
Yes.
we've paid you since I came to the office close to $1 million or anything above $1 million. Sasa wewe unawezaje tushika tile yetu hapa na
No, the problem was, it is not. It's a problem. Or it's not a problem because these people are supposed to bring documents. You know?
yes.
They don't bring documents. How do you look for money? How do you invoice? Yeah. But
No.
anyway, even this one, it had a very big cut. Yeah, it was a very big cut. I helped him to do it even for free. It was not even paid for. Yeah. Even today, I repair your fire engine even today.
Now,
Right?
Mzee, if you did it for free, why did you hold it back?
No, the problem was they bring me the papers because you see those things. He have told me that we did those things in Nairobi because you could not find them everywhere. So we had to do the croning.
Now, what
Yes.
you'll do,
Yes.
because you know these are government properties,
Yes.
and the way to handle them is stipulated in the law. All these guys were doing wrong thing. The fire engine naambiwa kwamba Muwasa I've seen there is a pump there that I'm told that it's changed.
Just the other day.
Yeah.
That one they have not picked.
I've been told there is a rim. That rim is new.
Yeah, that is new. Yeah.
It's new,
I agree,
isn't
I
it?
agree, I agree with that.
Yeah. The rim plus knee, they are new.
That one I did put another pump just the other day.
Yes, that one I'm
into
told.
into the autobus.
Now, What are you anticipating out of this?
Now this one is this one was held because of those debts. There are so many pending bills there.
But I've seen 190.
I don't know.
Who is your accountant?
Yeah, he's here.
You're the accountant?
Yes.
But we have paid you, my brother.
Yes, but I still send.
No. How much? How much? Said that now, this one, because you held it, I want it back in the state it was. I'm ready to pay you tomorrow, as long as I can get it in the state it is supposed to be. Hakuna engine hapo.
No, the engine was broken. Even when it came. You can find it at the back. It was brought for repairs. But because I don't know what happens at the back there. Because it was supposed to be fitted with another new engine because the block is broken. That is all. It is broken. If you can fit it, another new
How much
engine
have we
today-
paid you since I came to the office? Because I've tried to completely deal with this issue once and for all.
I think they're close to 1 million.
Sasa mzee, nimekuja nimeonyesha uzuri kwamba nalipa wewe.
Yeah.
I want to see you.
Yes.
I want to see you
Yes.
over this, because this, even if it's disposing them off, there is a public finance act which is stipulated clearly on how we dispose what these things, unless we abandon our responsibility. Kwa hivyo nimekuja tu.
Unajua hatujashika kwa any other nini. It's only because those you are saying they were not doing it right.
They were not.
Yeah, that's why they are standing here. Otherwise, hata hakukuwa na nini. Si hata zile zingine na utengenezaji zinaenda. Even today. Zinatengeneza water boost. Zinatengeneza the other further engine. In fact, even I was asking them, what about the other one? Because the other one looks newer than even this other one. But they say there's one broken thing. Why can't we do it? You can tell me how to do. Show me the problem. See whether I can help you.
Why can't you do this?
Yes.
Who is this? Wewe. Huyu mzee nataka aone hiyo the bigger fire engine.
Yes, sir.
Then you give me a report.
Yes, I give you a report. Maybe
Sasa.
it is something very easy.
Yes.
Yeah,
Give me a
give
report,
me-
because if it's a propeller
Yeah.
that ilivunja,
It
your
can be-
people, if you have good mechanics, because all other guys here, they are on deals. Wewe ni mzee mkubwa, you would want to leave this country in the hands of the people who are responsible. Otherwise,
Exactly.
is equal like in your family.
Exactly.
Unataka uache vijana ambao who are responsible, but
In fact,
now
that's what I've been doing because
Eh?
kama zaidi wamekuja hapa.
yes.
In fact, if they tell you the truth, most of these things, sometimes at the time, tobaccos, winning, you know, I do them for free. Yes, I do them for free. Nawambia they steal tomorrow. Yes,
There is tomorrow.
there's tomorrow.
And this is our country.
Exactly.
Aya. Sawa, wewe get contact za mzee so that we can
0726.
so that we can be able to deal with that issue for once and for all. Hiyo taya imeenda wapi?
66.
Amjejua ni shida gani iko nayo?
China.
Samuel. Ama Muwasa Motors. Samuel Muwasa Motors.
Mzee,
Yes, sir.
wacha nione hiyo rim.
The rim is perfect. But
The rim is
tire-
even the tire looks
No,
like
no,
new.
no, it is not good.
Eh?
It's not good.
Eh.
There's a very big bust. Can somebody turn it over?
Kwa wale watu wameweka hapa juu, turn it over. Ipendwe namna hii.
Hebu pindua namna hii tuone the problem. And you own this one you have to buy another one. Yeah, it cannot be. Hiyo hizi chomwa. Kuna mahali iko na ilikuwa na nafikia ni hiyo. Ile iwezi hata chomwa. Unajua sometimes tunachoma.
Mwezi hizi chomo.
Hiyo iwezi chomwa.
Now given that I've paid you and there is a I've paid you good money. The only thing mzee tutafanya, let this one, it has to be taken back to where? Not fire.
What
is
they
it?
can do,
Huh?
let them buy another tire, we replace
Oh,
it.
you'll place.
Yeah, what is it?
No, buying, unajua haiwezi nunuliwa mara moja, unajua is government procurement process.
Yeah, it takes a little.
Yes.
No problem.
And I want you to check for me that vehicle.
Yes.
Angalia, nielezee what is the problem. I see if it's within what we have.
Yes.
Because many people, they have looked at it.
Yes.
Tutengeneze hiyo fire engine.
Yeah, I know it is possible.
Yeah.
It is possible.
Na naona uko na biashara mzuri mzee.
It's not bad.
But I'm told this land belongs to the county. Una, it has been listed out kwa,
Easy account.
Eh?
This one belongs to somebody.
No, I'm
Although
told.
it is in the county. It
No,
belongs to somebody.
Ninaambiwa.
Yes.
Ninaambiwa kwamba hiyo shamba uliza mzuri.
Eh.
Huyo mzee yeye sio yake.
Eh.
He has been rented.
Yes.
But the person who must have given out, it could be the county land, which I don't have facts. I'll be able to check.
No, it is not a county land. It belongs
No,
to
for
somebody.
you. For you.
No, I don't know. I have the title unless it is telling me that.
Sawa mzee.
Nimeshukuru. In case kitu ya fire engine nini, that one I have. That one I will. Unless ni ngumu. Ngumu sana.
Okay.
But I will always let you know.
That's sawa. Haya.